Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add money to the PayPal app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the PayPal app on your home screen. Now open it. Now after opening the app, simply slide to your right. And here you can find the Add to your wallet option. Now select it. Now to add the money, simply add the card number that you have. After adding, simply tap on to next. Now add the month, year and CSC number of the card. Then simply tap on to the link card button. Now you can see the card has been linked and the money has been added to your PayPal account. And that's it. This is how you can add the money to the PayPal app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.